In this question, we have to find the angle PSQ. See what we know. We know angle PST is equal to 30 degree and angle QPS equal to 60 degree. Okay, but we have to find angle PSQ. Now how we will find? Let's see. We know that angle PST is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now which is also equal to angle SQP. The reason is angle in alternate segment. So I will say angle SQP is equal to 30 degree. Now sum of all angles in triangles is 180 degree. We know that. Okay. So therefore angle QSP is equal to 180 minus 60 minus 30, so it will equal to angle 90 degree. We find the angle that is 90 degree, and we can also conclude that QP is diameter